YouTube, what's going on? What's the deal? It's your boy Moves back with another video. You guys see what we have behind me. We have my 2022 Audi R8 Performance. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to drive this car. Whether you're borrowing a friend's car, you're renting one, or you're just watching this video for enjoyment, I want to teach you guys how to drive this car. And hopefully, one day you guys will get to experience this bad boy, get behind the wheel and really enjoy it. This car is a special car, guys. This personally is my favorite car I've ever owned. And I mean ever. I had M4s, I had M5s, still have an M5 to this day actually. And then the R8 is just in a whole different league. So guys, definitely want to drive this car if you get the chance. This car is sick. So before we even get the video started, guys, if you like the wheels on the Audi R8, check out motivoforged.com. That is my wheel company. Let me know you're coming from the YouTube channel and I'll give you guys a discount. We have so many sick options to choose from, guys. This is our CS-M wheel, and I absolutely love this design. This is one of my favorites. But if you guys don't like this style, which I don't know how you cannot like this style, because this is like a work of art, bro. Look at this. This wheel is beautiful, man. If you don't like this one, we have something for you guys. Check the website out and let me know you're coming from the YouTube channel. If you guys want to go ahead and get a set, all you got to do is fill out the contact form or shoot us a DM on Instagram at Motivo Forged, and we'll take good care of you guys. Now, a little bit about the Audi R8. This car and the Lamborghini Huracan are basically built on the same chassis. These are the same platform in a sense. They have the 5.2 liter V10 in the back, and a lot of the parts are interchangeable between the R8 and the Huracan. They share a lot of stuff. Now the R8 to me is more, I'd say, of a premium feeling Huracan. The Huracan on the other hand is just, you know, insane. Like the Huracan has that real crazy presence to it. The R8 obviously has it, but it's not the same level as the Huracan. The Huracan's a Lambo, so obviously that for itself to a lot of people means a lot. But when you go under the skin and look at the cars, they're pretty much the same. 5.2 liter V10, dual clutch transmission, which is you can control through these paddle shifters or that gear lever right there. And these cars come in two options. They either come in all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive. My car specifically is an all-wheel drive, but if you're in a rear-wheel drive R8, it's pretty much the same process. Yeah, nothing really changes in the whole ordeal. And these cars, this car right here is, I guess, considered the Gen 3, but from 2017 all the way to 2023, the R8 is pretty much the exact same, other than a couple little exterior tweaks. There's not really much that's changed on the car. So if you're trying to drive a car like that, it's a 2017 and not a 2022 like this one, don't worry, the whole process is the same. Now, this car right here, this is what it's all about, guys. That V10 is special. Very exciting platform to drive and own. And it sounds amazing, guys, as you'll see in the video when we go ahead and take the car out and drive it. I have a custom aftermarket exhaust on my car. It's a titanium X-pipe setup, which you kind of see right there, bulging. So my car sounds a lot louder than a stock one would, but even stock, these cars sound sweet, right? So let's go ahead and get the key out and get this party started. Pretty straightforward, simple looking key. You have the R8 logo on the back, but it's basically an Audi key, honestly. It is an Audi in the end of the day. So there's three buttons. There's this lock button right here. That way you lock the car, right? That's how you know you locked it. If you hear the little beeping sound or see the headlights flash. And then unlock is very straightforward and simple. Now you have it unlocked. And if you hold this one right here, this is a trunk. There's a panic button here, but honestly, I never had to use it. And in general, you're not going to use it, so don't worry about that too much. You go ahead and unlock the car. One thing I notice a lot of people get confused about is getting in the car, right? When you're in a supercar, guys, it's like everything is very elegantly designed and hidden, right? So people will always be like, oh, how do I open this thing, right? It's very straightforward. If you guys look underneath here, you have a little arm or hand rest area, I guess. I don't know what to even call it. You have a door handle right here. What am I talking about, bro? You pull the door handle. It's like this. You get in the car. If it's locked, you probably got to pull it twice if the key's in your pocket. And then, boom, now we hop in the Audi R8. And, guys, it's pretty straightforward in here. There's not really much going on, as you can see. We have the steering wheel. You will notice a lot of the controls are in the steering wheel, and then you will also notice there is no display right here, right? So you might be wondering, okay, if there's no display here, how do I even access Apple CarPlay or access the infotainment screen. Guys, with the Audi R8, it's all over here, which I think is a really nice design on Audi's part because it keeps the car more timeless, right? And for a supercar, that's generally more important than a normal car, because 10 years down the line, this car is still probably going to be an $80,000 car all day, if not more. So for that kind of money, you'd want something that ages pretty good. And I love how they did it here. Incorporate it very simple, straightforward. Now, the gear shifter right here is also pretty straightforward. You hit park like that. Car's going to be in park. Pull this, hit this, and pull it down. That's going to be drive. You're going to pull it down 2 times. You'll feel it twice. Neutral is in the middle, or you can, I guess, pull it down once. You'll see these light up as well, and it'll be displayed right here. And then reverse is like that. Got the traction control button. Turn that off if you want traction off. Pretty straightforward. Hazards and parking sensors. Now, let's go ahead and start the car up. Foot on the brake. Hit the start button. And just like that, your car is started up. Now you can go hit the view button and switch to this display, which I personally like more. Now, if I had my Apple CarPlay connected, guys, one thing that kind of sucks about this display is you can't see CarPlay like this. You got to hit the view button again, and then your CarPlay would be displayed like this, and these two would be on the side, kind of. But nevertheless, it's not bad. It's not the end of the world. That's just something that I feel like is a gripe for me, because I love how this looks. Now, if you go look at the buttons here, we have this back button right here. And then if you go hit it again, it should take you to the menu. I'm not going to make an extensive video out of this. This is more for like vehicle settings. This is for your radio and bass adjustments and everything. Actually, that's radio and that's bass up here, excuse me. Then media, telephone, navigation. This car, I'll show you the map on it. It's pretty cool. I don't think nobody's ever going to use this, to be honest, with CarPlay and everything, but it still looks pretty sweet. It kind of looks old, though, if you ask me, for a 2022 car, but hey, to each their own. You have the map here. You can also hit the view button and have it displayed on the side, which is nice. You would not be able to do that with Apple CarPlay, but you can do it with this car. And then you can hit this button right here and go from your gas consumption, vehicle settings, your aux right there, your telephone, navigation, or whatever like menu / setting you're on. Usually that's CarPlay for me when I connect my phone. These cars, by the way, do not have wireless CarPlay, so you have to use a charger like this one, plug it in, and then you'll be connected to the CarPlay. My car, I believe this is optional, has the heated seats. And yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get rolling. I'm sure you guys don't care that much about the super technical stuff. Drive select. You hit this, you're in basically your driving modes: auto, dynamic, individual, and comfort. Individual, you just basically are able to customize it however you want. I'll keep it in dynamic just to keep things fun. And then here is the exhaust button. If you have a valved exhaust system on this car, it'll get quiet or loud, and then it'll say standard or sport. And then this right here is if your car has it. This is called performance mode. On the older ones, I believe it's called plus mode or something like that. It's just it's more of an aggressive setting than dynamic, where you can only manual shift the car, and it basically is tuned to downshift more aggressively, which I'll go ahead and show you guys here. Let's go ahead and downshift. See how it downshifts like that, and then if I put it in dynamic, it just basically will downshift less aggressively. So I was like, is that a cop? This thing is fun, bro. We roll the windows up, guys. I don't want the wind noise cooking this video, but man, I have this car in automatic right now since I'm recording this video. It's a lot easier for me to do so. If you want to control this car manually, all you got to do is hit the paddles or push this over to the side like so. Now I'll probably just stick to automatic right now because it's just easier for me to do so. But let's go ahead and downshift on you guys, right? Look at the difference between dynamic. Dynamic just shifts way more, or not dynamic. Performance, excuse me, shifts way more aggressively than dynamic does. Dynamic is considered sport. Performance, you can consider it as like sport plus. This car is a beast, guys. I absolutely love driving this car. I've had BMWs before this car. I feel like they just don't compare to the R8 and the experience it gives you. I'll be chill out before a cop comes and gets me. And guys, the drama this car has is real. This is I guess this is what you get a supercar for, because it's not the fastest car in the world. Like, I've had even my M4, I would have walked this car. But if you gave me the keys to the M4 and you gave me the keys to the R8, I'm taking the R8 all day, just because of the experience you get behind the wheel of this thing. It really does put a smile on your face, guys. That's the best way to put it. This car is nice. And for anyone looking to buy one, I would 100% advise you to do so. They're very reliable. You really won't have any issues with the car. And if you get a newer one like this one, you can still get it under warranty. My car is still under warranty until this day. And it's nice to know that, because when a supercar breaks down, it's not cheap at all, guys, right? So let's go ahead and put my car back in automatic mode. Pretty straightforward. You pull that down, and just like that, your car is now in auto. If you guys are noticing it's holding the RPMs higher, the reason it's doing so is because it is an S6 or S mode, I guess. If you go ahead and, like, let's say I put it in individual mode and it's in D, the car will automatically upshift to be in a more comfortable and calm mode, right? I don't know if you guys can hear this car squeaking. Has carbon ceramic brakes, which are an option, I believe, on this car. They squeak, but they're very good. You don't get any brake fade. You don't get any brake dust. They're great. Absolutely love them. But yeah, that's what the noise is from. So don't be alarmed if you can hear your car squeaking. It's pretty straightforward and it's pretty normal. But definitely a sick car. I absolutely love. He's acting a fool in that thing. I absolutely love how this car feels. Bill's looking at me crazy. I like his car. Looking good, bro. So let's go ahead and get gas. Oh my days. Yo, are you guys hearing this? That sounds absolutely crazy. Have a good one. Guys, this thing sounds nuts. Now, guys, when you get a V10, you're gonna need gas, right? Regardless of where you're going, how far, how close, you're gonna need gas. Obviously, you don't buy a car like this because you're concerned about gas mileage. It's terrible. I probably get 8 miles per gallon out of this car max. And if I'm probably just driving chill, I'd say I'd get like 11 or maybe 14. I think the best I've ever had was like 20 miles per gallon, and that was on the highway in comfort mode and just having the car on cruise control. So obviously that's not really something to be like super concerned about. But we're pulling up to a gas station right now. We're gonna get this bad boy filled up. And yeah, if you're a tall person like me, I'm 6'4", guys. You could fit pretty comfortably in this car. I'd say anything past 6'6", though, you're gonna really be struggling to make it work. Right now, I feel like I'm at the edge of what's possible with this car. But it's not awful either. All right, guys, we got the Audi R8 at the gas station now. I had to go use Apple Pay, so I had to go to the window and everything and get some gas. But let's get this bad boy filled up. The gas right now is $4.15. Not terrible at all. I should have just hit the 87 and pump fake y'all, but I'm not gonna do y'all like that, you know. Next time, maybe next time. But check her out, guys, under the gas station lighting. Straight up machine, bro. I love how this car looks. This thing to me is just perfect, bro. And I might be coping, maybe, I don't know. Let me know in the comments section, guys, if I'm coping. I feel like this car looks a little better than like the base Huracans, honestly. Now the Huracan Evo or the Technica, I'd say look a bit better than this car, but this car to me looks better than the 610-4. Such a beautiful design Audi did. Even the older gen ones are beautiful. And I did the roof in gloss black and everything, did the wheels on it, the side skirts, the front lip, and I just kind of brought everything together nicely on this car. So this car specifically is like really special to me. I'm very happy with how this car came out. This is literally my vision when I bought the car. So I was close to empty earlier, had like 60 miles of range. Right now we're at $40 so far. Not terrible, but it doesn't last, guys. So this car probably gave me like a solid 3-4 days out of that full tank of gas, and that's not me really driving it hard. It's probably like me putting 100 miles, 120 miles, I'd say, on it, which it's not really that much when you think about it. All right, guys, so basically we got 14 gallons, give or take, of gas in the car. Yep, there we go. And it was $58.60. Now if this car was completely empty, you'd probably be looking at $65, depending on how much gas is. Like I said, right now it's $4 for gas, so it's $58. Not terrible. Now let's go ahead and roll out, guys. Got her filled up, got the little exterior shots of her. And before I forget, let me go ahead and close this gas cap too. Alright, guys, if you enjoyed the video, feel free to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for all the future content we have coming out with the BMW M5 and the Audi R8. Guys, this car is sick. If you're looking to get one, I would definitely recommend you to do so. And if you guys do get an Audi R8, check your boy out for a set of wheels. Whatever car you get, matter of fact, not only an R8, but check your boy out for a set of wheels at Motivo Forged. Our Instagram is Motivo Forged. Our website is www.motivoforged.com. Let me know you're coming from the YouTube channel. I'll give you guys a discount. But with that being said, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Y'all take care. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Peace.